Yeah, we mentioned BTK inhibitors, and they would definitely, if they turn out to work, they would fill the gap for addressing this macrophage-related inflammatory processes, innate immunity. However, the biggest gap these days is the regenerative therapies. And there is some hope there. There's a lot of trials going on, including simvastatin, for instance. There's clemastine trial too. So there's particles, agents that we know from different areas of medicine. So repurposing again, trying to look for something that would stimulate the regeneration potential. But I think that's the biggest issue here. So not so much as tackling the activity of the disease, which we are quite good at, given the large number of treatments registered for MS and with the new ones like BTK inhibitors on the horizon, but to stimulate the regeneration, remyelination, that's going to be a huge thing. And it's not only a problem for central nervous system, but also going back to CIDP for peripheral nervous system as well, only that it's different cells, Schwann cells, that actually regenerate in the periphery and oligodendrocytes in the central nervous system.